Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. So, do you want to boost your quiz completion rates by 15 to 20%? The secret is a progress bar. Today, I'll show you how to use basic psychology to keep your leads engaged until the very last question. Activating the progress bar is quite simple. So, let's go into the quiz, go to the configuration tab. Under the general settings, you need to scroll down over to step counter and turn it on. Once you have toggled it on, save, and then you can preview it under design. It's simple psychology. People hate leaving things unfinished. A progress bar makes every question feel like a momentum, not work. So let's see how it works. We start the quiz, we see question 1 of 4, and we also see a bar right above. As we process through the quiz, we see the bar moving forward. That keeps the momentum going. I recommend testing your quiz with and without it. You'll see the difference in your completion data immediately. A progress bar psychologically drives your users to cross the finish line. Still have any questions? Just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your business and your leads grow faster. Thank you.